Hi, it's Susan with Prairie Wife Quilting, and I have something really fun to show you. This is my best-selling pattern that I've had for 15, 16 years now, and it's the Shabby Rag Rosey, and it's a rag quilt. But look at that gorgeous blooming texture. And this isn't one of those quilts where you cut out a bunch of rose shapes and applique them all on. This is actually made with a layer cake and some yardage. You'll need some flannel and 30 sheets or 30 10-inch squares. You'll layer them according to the pattern, and then you'll pin this template right on top and just sew along the lines. And then after that's done, you're just gonna clip according to the diagram and sew the rows together. There's 30 squares and it finishes about 42 by 50. And there's no batting, no binding. You'll clip the seams and throw it in the wash machine, and you'll just get this wonderful textured blooming effect. But it's very unique. I'll put a link in the description for the pattern if you want to try it yourself. I've got over 100 5-star reviews on my Etsy account. I also have a course if you want more of a walkthrough experience. And also I have a link for several different layer cakes that I thought would be beautiful with this pattern. And maybe you'll see one that, maybe you'll see two that you like. But do be sure to like and subscribe so others can find my videos. And I hope to see your Shabby Rag Rosey quilt finished. You really can make it in a weekend. It's beginner friendly and it is a lot of fun to make. And it's unique.